Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to learn letter writing. For 10th standard in syllabus for board exam you will be asked formal letter writing. From that you will be asked one of that is letter to the editor that we are going to see. First of all, let's see the format of the letter writing letter to the editor. First of all, you have to write sender's address at the left side. First of all, sender's address means your own address. If in the question the address is given, then you will write that address. If address is not given, then you can write any address. But remember, the address is given of the receiver's address, then accordingly you will write sender's address. After sender's address, you can leave one line, then write date. You have to write the date in this format only, like today is 20th date, so 20th June 2020. Like this you have to write the date. After writing date, you may leave one line, then receiver's address. The receiver's address means to whom we are writing the letter. If that address is given in the question, you have to write that address only. If address is not given, then you can write any. First of all, you will write to the editor, then Times of India or Hindustan Times or any name of the newspaper, then name of the city. After that, you have to leave one line, then you have to write the subject. Subject you have to write according to the question which is given in the question, for what you are writing the letter to the editor, right? But you have to remember, subject you will write in few words only, not in line, okay, in few words, maximum 5 to 6 words, not more than that. Then you will write the salutation, respected sir, madam or whatever. Then you will start the letter. First of all, you will write the introductory paragraph which will highlight the problem, So you are going to write a letter to the editor. So first of all, in the first paragraph you will write the letter about the problem, first paragraph, that why you are writing the letter to the editor. This everything you will write in the first paragraph. Then second paragraph, which will be main paragraph. In this you will write the content, details, causes of the problem. In this you have described the problem. In this you will describe the causes of the problem, why this problem is occurred, what is the reason behind that, okay, and the details of it. This you will write in the second paragraph. And in the third paragraph, which will be the concluding paragraph, you will write the solution or suggestion. You have written the problem, then causes of the problem, and then in the last paragraph you will write the suggestions, how to cope up with that problem, how to solve that problem. Okay, you can write the solution and suggestion in the third paragraph. What do you want from the editor, that also you will write in the third paragraph. So likewise you will write this 3 paragraph to write a letter, write a good letter to the editor. And then last you will write yours faithfully name. If the name is given in the question, you will write that name. If name is not given, then you will write X, Y, Z. Remember this thing, don't forget this. Now let's understand this by an example. Okay, see the question. Here in this question is given write a letter to the editor of a national daily. So here the address is given. You are going to write the letter to the editor and of a national daily in not more than 100 to 120 words. If the words are described in the letter in the question, then you will not exceed your letter around beyond this words. Urging the people to switch over to solar energy to conserve electricity and reduce electricity bills. Okay, So you are going to write a letter to the editor, and what is the reason behind that? You are urging the people, you are requesting the people to switch over to solar energy, to conserve electricity and reduce electricity bills. So this is the reason you are writing a letter to the editor. Then you are Sumit or Sumitra of 29 Panchal Garden, New Delhi. So here the name of the writer is also given, as well as the address is also given, 29 Panchal Garden, New Delhi. So let's start. So first of all, as already I have told you, you have to write your address to the left side, 29 Panchal Garden, New Delhi, which is already given in the question. Then you have to leave one line, then date 20th June, here written February 2020. So this, like this only you are going to write a date. So remember this thing. Then address of the receiver. So receiver is editor. So the editor, National Daily, जो National Daily है, from that we have to write one name of a newspaper. So the Times of India is a National Daily. So we'll write the Times of India and the name of the city. City is New Delhi. And then after leaving one line, we will write the subject. Subject already is here, evoking awareness towards solar energy. Or you can write this also, requesting people to switch over to solar energy. Okay, so you can write subject according to you, which you understand from the question. Now let's start the letter. First we have to write the salutation, sir or madam. Then in the first paragraph, what you have to write? Why you are writing a letter to the editor, your main reason. So through the columns of your esteemed newspaper, I wish to urge the people to use and install solar panels and preserve electricity. In first paragraph, you are writing a reason why you are writing a letter to editor. What is the reason? I wish to urge the people, I wish to request the people to use and install solar panels and preserve electricity. Clear? So in first paragraph, what you will write? The reason for writing letter to the editor. Now second paragraph. In second paragraph, as already I have said, the causes of the problem you have to write. Okay. So with the growing population and ever increasing demand for electricity, one needs to switch over to alternative modes like solar energy. Okay, as the population is growing and the demand of electricity is growing, that's why people have to choose the alternative mode of electricity, that is solar. The main advantage of using solar panels is that they do not produce greenhouse gas and do not pollute the environment. So this is the good thing, that solar panels do not produce greenhouse gas and that's why do not pollute the environment. Being able to store excess energy one doesn't use during the day and access this at night means one will be less reliant on buying electricity from the grid. Okay, if you use solar energy, then you will not pay money to the grid or to the electricity department. New developments in solar energy systems for homes have encouraged people to switch over to non-conventional sources, thereby limiting the bills and saving electricity. So if you are using solar panels, solar energy, by that your electricity bill will be reduced. So this, in this paragraph we have described the problem. Okay, here why you are writing a letter, here cause of the problem, या फिर ये रिक्वेस्ट जो आपने की है वो रिक्वेस्ट करने से या फिर उसको अप्लाई करने से उनको क्या फायदा मिलेगा पीपल को, that you will write in the second paragraph. Now third and the last paragraph. I hope this would persuade the people to act towards a healthy and clean environment. ठीक है, here suggestion और solution. ठीक है, तो solution यहाँ पर बताया है, I hope this would persuade mean convince the people to act towards a healthy and clean environment. ठीक है, तो suggestion ये बताया गया है solution कि अगर आप ये लेटर अपने ये आर्टिकल अपने पेपर में डालते हो तो उसकी वजह से पीपल लोग कन्विंस होंगे और वो हेल्दी एंड क्लीन एनवायरनमेंट की तरफ मोड़ेंगे और सोलर एनर्जी को चूज करेंगे. सो लाइक दिस यू हैव टू राइट योर लेटर इनटू 3 पैराग्राफ्स एंड एट लास्ट योर्स फेथफुली सुमित. क्लियर? सो आई होप you understood how to write a letter to the editor. You have to remember these things. First of all, you will write the address, your own address, to the left side corner, then date, then the editor's address means receiver's address, then subject, then salutation, and in 3 paragraphs you will write your letter. First, in first paragraph you will write what is the problem for writing a letter, then second, causes of the problem, and in third, the suggestion or the solution of the problem, and at last yours faithfully Sumit, the conclusion. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.